In this video we will show you how to display different price and stock of the same product for different countries in WooCommerce. This can be really useful for a variety of scenarios. For example, taxes may be higher in Canada than they are in the United States. Maybe one country is richer and you want to maximize profits. Or maybe you have different stock in different countries and your prices are determined by the scarcity or availability of your products in a given country. Whatever the case, we will show you how to geolocalize prices and stock in WooCommerce using the Product Restrictions by Location plugin. It allows you to restrict products, variations, categories, attributes, and coupons by country or continent, state or province, zip code, and even using a custom list of locations like city, county, store location, etc. You can get the plugin by following the link in the description of this video. Once you have installed the plugin and activated your license, you need to follow some easy steps to show different price and stock per country. First thing we need to do is to select the method of restriction by country or continent. For this, let's go to the general settings of the Product Restrictions by Location plugin. Here we can select what we want to restrict and how we want to restrict it. In this example, we will restrict products and variations, and we'll restrict them by country or continent. Now we need to select the countries for which we are going to apply the restrictions. In this example, we will only select the countries for which we want to show different price and stock. We are going to enter Canada, the United States, and El Salvador. Our customers will be able to select any of these countries, and each time they change country they will see a different price and stock on the same product. Once we're done, let's save the changes. Now we need to create a product attribute. This attribute will be called country, since the way to show different price and stock per country is to create a variable product whose variations have different price and stock per country. On the attributes page, we need to enter the new attribute and then enter the terms, which in this case are the names of the countries for which we will show different price and stock. After entering the countries, we need to create or edit a variable product. In this case, we are going to convert a simple product into a variable product. To do this, we have to change the product type and then add the attribute country to our product. We will select all the countries and make sure to check the Used for Variations checkbox. We now need to generate the variations. As you can see, we have generated a variation for each country. Now it's just a matter of adding the prices and stock to each variation. In addition to the price and stock, we need to edit the country restriction, making sure that the variation is available for the respective country. For example, the variation with the term Canada must be available for Canada, while the variation with the term El Salvador must be available for El Salvador, and so on. We need to repeat this for every variation. Once we're done editing the variations, let's save the changes and update the product. Normally, variable products allow users to select the attribute terms from the product page. However, the Product Restrictions by Location plugin allows you to hide the country attribute from the product page, so that the product is displayed as a simple product and the variation displayed is synchronized with the country for which it is available. To do this, you have to go to the plugin's global settings. Once here, go to Variations per Location, and select the attribute you use for storing the location, and our plugin will automatically hide that attribute from the product page, and sync the customer's country with the country for which the variation is available. Now when your customers visit the store and see the product we just edited, the price and stock will be synchronized with the selected country. Here you can see the price and stock for El Salvador. But if you change the country to Canada, the product shows a different price and stock. The same happens if you switch the country to the United States. The WooCommerce Product Restrictions by Location plugin allows you to restrict products, variations, categories, attributes, and coupons by country or continent, state or province, zip code, and even using a custom list of locations. You can create different catalogs for different locations without having to use multiple sites. You can read the written guide for this tutorial and get the plugin by following the links in the description of this video. Don't forget to visit our blog at wpsuperadmins.com/blog and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.